Why does your scanner show the P057D engine code? What does it mean? P057D is a diagnostic trouble code for brake pedal position sensor A circuit high. This error code indicates the car's ECU has detected that the electrical voltage coming from the brake pedal position sensor is higher than its normal expected operating range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty brake pedal position sensor, wiring or connector issues, sensor misalignment, electrical shorts, faulty ECM or BCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996. And it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.